Master PowerPoint, 20 tips and tricks you need to know. Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn and Earn Knowledge. You know how much I love finding those hidden software tricks? Today, we're diving deep into PowerPoint. 20 tips and tricks to take your presentations from May to mind-blowing. Whether you're a student, teacher, or professional, these tips will up your game. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get right into it. Let's talk Slide Master. It's the blueprint for your presentation. Go to View, click Slide Master, and customize fonts, colors, layouts. No more formatting each slide individually. Time is precious. PowerPoint shortcuts are your new best friend. Ctrl+M for a new slide, Ctrl+D to duplicate, Ctrl+Shift+C to copy formatting. Ever notice how some presentations just look off? It's often the alignment. Use PowerPoint's guides. Go to the View tab, check Guides, and snap your text, images, and shapes into perfect alignment. Chapter 4. Animations, less is more. A little animation keeps your audience engaged, but too much, it's visual overload. Use animations strategically. Fade, zoom, fly in to highlight key points without overdoing it. Chapter 5. Transition Smooth Operator. Transitions are about seamless slide changes. Use simple, elegant transitions like push, wipe, or morph. Focus on your content, not distracting transitions. Icons, small but mighty. Ditch bulky images and embrace icons. Go to Insert. Icons for a massive library of scalable icons to represent your ideas without cluttering slides. Chapter 7. Grids, your layout secret weapon. Grids are the unsung heroes of clean layouts. Enable them under View. Grid and guides, your slides will thank you. Chapter 8. The art of the title slide. First impressions matter, right? Your title slide is your presentation's handshake. Use a striking background image, a clear title in a large readable font, and experiment with PowerPoint's Design Ideas feature. Chapter 9. Multimedia magic videos and audio. Take your presentation to the next level. Embed videos and audio. An intro video, background music, create an immersive experience. SmartArt visual storytelling. Ditch the bullet points and let SmartArt do the talking. Create visually appealing diagrams, charts, and lists that transform your data into a story. Data-driven design embedding Excel charts. Need to present data? Embed Excel charts directly into your slides. The best part, they update automatically whenever your data changes. Talk about efficiency. Format Painter, your formatting BFF. It's a lifesaver for copying formatting. Select the element, click the Format Painter button, and paint away. Photo galleries, picture perfect. Use PowerPoint's photo album to showcase images. Select your photos, and PowerPoint creates a professional gallery layout. Custom slide layouts, tailor-made presentations. Need a specific slide layout PowerPoint doesn't offer? No problem. Create custom layouts under View, then Slide Master. Perfect for brand consistency. Templates, your fast track to success. Don't reinvent the wheel. PowerPoint templates are a great start. Choose one that fits your theme and customize it to your liking. Need to move multiple objects as one? Group them. Select, right-click, and choose Group. Now move them without messing up your layout. Add a watermark to your slides to protect your content. It's a subtle but effective way to mark your territory. Rehearse timings, the presentation pacemaker. Timing is everything. Use rehearsed timings to practice and stay within your allotted time. Presenter View, your secret weapon. It shows your current slide, next slide, speaker notes, everything you need, all in one place, while the audience sees only the presentation. Sharing is caring online presentations. Share your presentation online through OneDrive, collaborate with others, or present it live. PowerPoint mastered, and that's a wrap on our PowerPoint Power Trip. We've covered 20 killer tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and ding that notification bell. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your favorite tip or share any PowerPoint secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.